Okay, we're in front of Casa Grande Suites again. As I was walking the beach, I indicated I thought this was a good value in terms of purchasing a one-bedroom studio. I'm gonna call it, I shouldn't say directly on the beach, but you're directly across the street from the beach. They also do rentals out in terms of, I'm not sure, Airbnb, or you probably can contact the hotel for rentals. No, I'm not working for the hotel or any other real estate concern. One of the benefits of being here is that you are less than one block away from Mango's. I stayed there for one of my birthdays with one of my homies, and basically he had a ball because he could go to Mango's, which is right there. He could dance, have a good time, act up, and he had enough stamina to come back. As soon as he got back, we went to the airport. That's how late it was. But needless to say, this is a little close-up view of Casa Grande. Pelican, I thought they were good for calamari. Again, this is one of Gloria Estefan's entities. I don't know if the name Lario's rings a bell here, but they used to have the best lamb. You don't find entities with lamb anymore. But and one thing about the restaurants and facilities, they were reasonably priced, clean, service was good. Sometimes here on the beach, you have to bring your patience. Service is not always the best. They have that mandatory, it's almost like 25% upcharge between a 20% gratuity. I think it's probably like a 7% or so city tax. And I don't know if there's any other tax, so you might even be looking closer to 30%. So, and then sometimes I've had one of the, I'm not gonna call the name of the institution because these are businesses that, you know, bad review can drastically affect our business. But when I complain, the guy says, well, everybody does that. In other words, he says you should not have an expectation for good service on the beach. It says you shouldn't have a good expectation for good service. Why do we have an expectation to pay you that close to 30% upcharge? He said because everybody else does it. So the point that I'm making is you need to bring your patience, you need to bring good attitude, and then you can kind of pick and choose who you want to give your business to and who you don't. So that's that. Okay, Miami Tours, double-decker bus. I see people on the top of the bus with no hat. When you come to Miami, you do want to bring a head cover. The UV will take it out of you. I can attest to that from playing golf. Not only will you perspire more, you might become lightheaded and dizzy. So, GoPro, stop capture.